We've all had those days where motivation is so low it feels practically impossible to get up and go hit the gym. So what do you do then? Well, the bad news is you don't skip the gym. But the good news is I'm going to give you 2 tactics that I've used countless times to help me drag my lazy ass to the gym, and I believe they'll help you too. Tactic number 1, you're going to trick your brain into thinking you're only going to do a short and easy workout. So if you usually do 45-minute workouts, tell yourself you're only going to go and do an easy 20-minute workout. Now look, I know that sounds a bit dumb, but it really works. Doing this lowers the bar, which makes it so much easier to just get yourself to the gym, which is actually the biggest fight. Once you're at the gym, you'll see that a lot of times you end up just doing the entire workout. And even if you don't, at least you still went to the gym and your momentum isn't totally ruined. The second tactic, you basically break the process of going to the gym into very small steps. For example, if you're lying on your bed scrolling TikTok, make your first step to just switch your phone off. Once you did that, you can lie there, but you're going to get bored. Then you make your next step to just sit up straight. And then you keep on doing that until you eventually find yourself standing in the gym. The point of this tactic is to break that daunting and overwhelming task of going and hitting a hard workout into small doable steps. Now, as you can see, these tactics aren't magic. You're still going to need a lot of discipline and willpower to succeed. But on those days where it really feels impossible to get yourself going, these tactics can be the final push you need to get yourself to the gym.